Right, so the next thing we're going to do is a very big section, is how to add a online store to your website. This can be very, very good for your website. It makes it look more professional and also makes you a bit of money if you are selling stuff. And of course, it's much more accessible when it's online and not on the high street. I'll give you a few examples of what some stores can look like. Here we have the GoPro one, where they're selling all their latest cameras. As you can see, you have all each products in one big block, so you can add to cart and you can learn more about the stuff. It's a wonderful looking website and it's a wonderful looking store. We also have Tesla. They're obviously selling their much bigger things. They have their new inventory here. Let's have a quick look. You see they're all their massive new cars. So these are all physical, huge products where you're going to be spending a lot of money. But that's just another example of a store. Here is WooCommerce. This is actually where we're going to be getting our store plugin from. This is the one that provides the store to be able to put it on websites. So you can have a look through there as well. This is a digital download, so you're not actually getting a physical product, but you do actually get a lot more functionality with your website using your store. You can actually make a membership on your store so people can make an account and always be there and always remember their payment details and stuff like that. You also get a little more plugins and themes that really suit for a full store kind of thing. So if you are looking to that, do have a good look. It'll probably be a benefit to yourself if you have a good look there yourself. But we'll have a look and show you how it can all be done. So we'll just close all them for now. So I think the first thing we're going to do is make a new page. And we're going to call this one the store. So just call that store for now. Store and template, put it full width. Everyone likes the full width one, and publish that. Now we are going to head to the plugins page and we're going to add a new one of them. So you just search in and we're going to be searching WooCommerce, like we just visited the site there. And as you can see, WooCommerce has over 1 million active installs, so you know it's going to be good. So just click install now and then activate. So here we are. This is the page it gets once you first install WooCommerce. It's going to give you a bit of a heads up what the crack is. But first of all, if we just hit let's go, have a quick look at it. So this will tell you the different pages that will set up. A shop page, cart page, a checkout page, and of course a my account page. These are all very important parts of your store, but we'll just hit continue for now. And here is where your store is located. So I'm in the UK at the moment, so mine set as UK and pound sterling, and then click continue. Now this is going to ask how you do your shipping, and it's going to be weighing in kilograms or ounces or however it is you want to be weighed, but just set that the way you want it, set it and hit continue. And here is how you will be accepting payments, both offline and online. The best ones to use are generally PayPal and Stripe. I'm a big fan of PayPal, but I'm just going to click PayPal standard for now. And then this is the email where the payments will be sent. So you just take that to be the correct one and then hit continue. So once you get here, just click no thanks, and then we're gonna probably create our first product. So we'll just click that there, and that's gonna bring us back to where we were before, where we can add a new product. We're just gonna type in new product. It can be anything that you want here. It's gonna go through all the different options, the descriptions, the product types, if it's a virtual product or it's a downloadable product. You're gonna give it a price. All of the stuff here is all here, all self-explanatory really. Product tags, so you can keep everything all together. Categories as well, just to do the same thing there. And then of course you're going to give it a short description to make sure that your product is properly described. So as you can see, we can just put in our description here, and you can put in prices. So let's say 200, the sale price at 150. We can put in images as well. We'll just get add media. We'll just throw in anything for the time being, just sticking that one again, insert into product. Actually, I'm going to delete that, that's in the wrong place. We're going to stick it over here, product image, and click it there. That's the actual product image. And now if we click publish, we can just click on this and let's have a look. So there you go, we've already got a product perfectly here on a sale, and you just add that to cart. So we'll just give this a test out. So if we just hit add to cart, and the product has been added to the cart, we can now actually view that cart. And here we have the cart page, we've got the image, the product name, the price, and then we can proceed to checkout, where you can enter in your billing details, your name, your address, where it's going to get sent out to, and how you're going to pay. So it's a fully functioning store in a matter of seconds. It normally would have taken you probably months if you tried to code this yourself, but of course we're doing this in a much easier way. Now we have a shop and a checkout. Right then, so we'll have a look at how that looks like on our website. So just quickly jump to that. Visit the site. As you can see, there's no options up here, so we need to change that ourselves. So if we go to customize, and then we go to menus, menu 1, the one we set earlier, and we can add items. So let's have a look here. We'll add in, we'll ignore the store, that's the one we made, but the shop is the one we actually want. So if we just, where is it? Add shop, add, where's the checkout, and the cart. Can we arrange that? Perfect, just move that around. You can also just check them to be inside there as well, so they'll be underneath the shop section, which is also a nice thing to do as well. And whenever you've ordered it all up, I think that's all of them. Just double check. Yep. There's also the My Account one as well if you do have the paid version, and then just click Save and Publish. So now if we actually visit our site now, oh, that's not it. Go to, is this it? Now we have the shop section. As you can see, that's written out in dark, so you can change that in the menu settings as well. If we click on shop, you can see our image, our actual product, and we can click that, and we can go through that whole adding to cart business all over again. So that's the store built.